Hello everyone. Let's look at what happens to the market today. Overnight, you can see that the European market is mixed. Some went up, some went down. So I would say that they are moving sideways at the moment. If you look at where the US closed yesterday, so the US market went up, but not as big as the day before. And the oil price, it went up again. And the gold price, I don't know what it is because the market has closed, but we can look at it at the chart. What's quite interesting is that you can see that in the breaking news, the futures market has opened and then it has failed. Let's look at the futures market here. You can see that it fell by a little bit, 0.47%, but point-wise, it has fallen by 163 points. We will look at the chart to see what has happened. So look at the Dow Jones. You can see that it went up by quite a large amount. Yesterday, I didn't have the chance to place a trade here. Otherwise, the trade would have been in profit by now. It is an oversight, so I will be watching the market more closely today because this would have been a guarantee no loss trade because I would have moved my stop loss to the entry already. And then let's look at what the future market does. So this is a futures market. So we can see that this is where the market closed, and then this is where the futures market opened. It fell by quite a large amount. Only time will tell if the market will be going down. There's a bit of uncertainty at the moment. Let's look at what the oil market is doing. So you can see that the MACD is still negative, but the moving average has gone past the price of the oil has gone past the moving average 20 already. So what we are doing now is to wait to see if the next bar will go up above the moving average 20, and then MACD is also positive. Then that would be an entry signal for a long position. Let's look at the gold price. So we can see that it went down. So if you have entered the trade here, and then you haven't moved your stop loss, that means you are in a loss position at the moment. However, it has not taken up the high of the day before. So this is an interesting setup. So you may be at a loss, but you haven't been stopped out yet. What is going to happen is if the market becomes quite nervous about the interest rate again, or the inflation, or the oil price, or the war between Russia and Ukraine, then the oil price falls. Then you will be able to recover your losses. Or if there is a constraint on the oil supply again, then the oil price goes up, then you'll be making a loss. Once again, we'll be looking at the MACD, and then we'll also be looking at whether this price bar will be crossing the moving average above or below. Let's look at how the Bitcoin is doing. It went up and then it came back down. So this is the entry bar. Looking at this, you will be placing a buy order at this point here. You can see that you have not gone into the trade yet. So according to the technical analysis, you should be waiting for this bar to go up there, and then you'll be entering into the trade. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. The big miss here today is this part where I forgot to enter an order here to buy into the market. So it's a missed opportunity, but it's okay. I am a patient person. I'll keep waiting for the next opportunity. So let's come back to the market. The future is still negative. Shanghai has opened already, and then it's up. So let's see what happens tomorrow, because there's still a lot of uncertainty on the market. And then we will see how the market goes today and tomorrow. Until next time, be safe.